Nobody not send one for them. I not take none for no kids. I don't have them at the moment. I'm in a risk my freedom to go behind bars. Cause now, no cure what I do, it's not enough. If me that carry one 500,000 a week time, you wouldn't hear no problem. I have sit and watch she destroy me, threads, class me, rub me out. I'm still take up my hard working money when me sit down and bring down a year. I start from 5 to me get 10 and 15. Ring my phone. Them one is, me say me soon come. Look at boy car key I get type on him and me have to buy the car key. I'm know 10,000 for 3 car key. I'm get money in her hand for herself. I'm say to myself, say, although you don't like me and me don't like you, you're around my kids and I don't want the money that I give them for their own personal use as my kids. You take it from them or you borrow it from them and use it because you're an addict of smoking and drinking and you eat. That's how I pro. That's why I'm always blessed. What you see when them try for tear me down on the net and all over, I always turn out to be victorious and strong, Shibada, because I keep you so and you're clean. You see some boy me say boy me done me gone. Me not have no vengeance, me not have nothing. I want to lie down on the piece of bed when my man buy me nicely. Me not keep vengeance, me not have time for that. Me hide and gear it, hide. Or me I gear willingly. At the last cut, she cut me a Saturday when she stand up in the rest station. She lock me up. And when I look in her 2 eye, she goes to me and say, call me if you want, Bill. I say, me if I call you? No, baby. You can't even call me. She can't call me. That's why I say, if them kids, them can't eat my money. They want to take money from them. I pity them. Them can't spend money. They want to take it from them and buy weed and smoke. Them not live off of me no more. Tough love for run. Them are my blood and backbone. I'm try so hard. I'm tired of trying. Them not eat no more of my money. All of what you say, but me still hide and get my things. And my mother is the same thing. Them like to use you. They don't love you they don't love you genuinely. Them a user. Them on the road, them are opportunists. Them only want brown me for them can give. I regularly tell me some big and stink and shape bad. All my mama. That's why I not look pan. I say me not look. Them are opportunists. They are users. Them are your family not genuinely love you. That's why I'm scared of people. Cause my own eat me like pizer. I'm scared of people. I'm afraid. I'm going to answer. I'm afraid of people. I'm my own. Me not send that look give them. It's a back to school. Me sorry for she the holy day everybody. But not send me nothing. Go get a picnic. Me no want go to prison. Stay home. Me a show comes. Show comes all on him back. Not even dollar. Nobody not send one for them. Me not take none for no kids. I don't have them at the moment. I'm in a risk my freedom to go behind bars. Cause now, no cure what I do, it's not enough. If me that carry one 500,000 a week time, you wouldn't hear no problem. Can't bother pay my opportunists, man. I like use people. Go where them I go. And as I said before earlier, I come for you. No, baby, me not come for you. I just what you say, I just interpret when I say me say F them kids. Yeah, I say it for true. I'm serious about it because if me not do that, you're gonna put me in one place in one life where prison life is nice and I don't want to go there. To trade your bed to sleep on a piece of sponge on the ground. Look what you do my neck. You do my neck, say, you know. It do my neck, say, now when I touch it, so I try my rub look at olive oil upon it. When I touch it, so it's rough. To trade your bed to sleep on the ground is nice. To get 2 meals a day Look how sugar and water in the man with a piece of bread. And look how rice with sitting night in the 12 o'clock on a nice road that. And by 7 o'clock, lockdown time. Yeah. And them toilet cannot be used because you can never sit on it. That's why I use them toilet. When I did that 5 days, I do because I sit down on it. And when you brush your teeth, at the top part of the so every use so it's very uncomfortable. Sugar and water make it for tea. And them juice are pure sugar. If me stay in the 2 more days, if me stay in the 2 more blood clot day, me have something. What is something we pin have when I'm out? Me act proactive. Can't stay one place. You know, so come on, me can't sleep. Me left jealous Wednesday. I came come from when me left jealous Wednesday. I said me come on Wednesday. Me don't sleep. Wednesday night me don't sleep. Me not sleep Wednesday. It's a Thursday. Me no sleep. The whole of Thursday, me not sleep. Me not sleep Wednesday night. My time for the whole night, my timing for the whole Thursday, my timing. I said it's a Friday morning. This morning, I must about 5:50 something. I go drop asleep. I'm awake by 9. My torment. The people them sugar and water, me can't sleep. Torment. That piece of dopey upon me. Where me I come from? I hell that. Let me call a risk for go back to hell. Everybody know the history. Or me take care of them. Everybody know the history. Me try. One time I me a breadwinner. Straight. Me a breadwinner straight. Come down at town me I sell peanut down at Captain Bakery. Straight me a breadwinner. Straight. For years. When I'm just start school, I mean start them at school. Uniform, bag, book, everything. Me a breadwinner for years. My mind look a girl that she 11-year-old. 10 rather, or 11 too. And me never hear a person come out and say bad to bad. This is not right. You don't have to pick up for me. You don't even have to like me to see the truth. And that's why I can't like the net because as much as you don't like a person, you can see the truth and say it. It's just the truth. No gain respect when I the truth. You don't need to tell a lie to be famous. It's just the truth. Ride with the truth. Ride with the truth. Ride with the truth. I pay a light over here. It's just the truth. I have maintained myself by selling peanut, dirty, nothing, try, breed, walk and beg, walk. Miss nobody. Literally back in the days. So sometimes I still classify myself no, same as nobody. I'm just a trying person because I want me used to. Me not care my peer grade above no one. Me have feelings, so sometimes people say something me just say me say and keep it moving. I mean I tell her say the woman rub me out, I'm still guaranteeing me, I don't guarantee, but me say she really want sentence me for go, I'ma go. Cause she could have prevented as a mother from the flash your ball out. Me tired of you, I'm tired of you let the pin them for me every day. And she was speaking to me one at the point and saying, done. Because at the end of the day, if you told God, when you gonna left me for do. She said that this Saturday. I just still go around and make them block me up. She only the whole time. Yeah. She never turned the other chick and said, come here, Nessa. Rosa, I'm my grandkids them. Rosa, my grandkids them. Mother, you know. Hey, wait on my baby. Me know me a vex and rate, but me a beg for me do. If I respect and love me done, make she come say yes. At the blood club, boy, mama make me done. Yeah, she didn't even do that. She sit there and watch me. One of the police guys and say, if you want bail me, bail. Like she say, fuck her, yo. But she show look at empathy. Not show me none. Me love a black. My black is from the same night. No, and black official them say me have your number and been in contact with you. But just not like chat. But when I sound really evil, me have to get rid of uno. No la campa, nothing. Me have to get rid of uno. My circle, clamp it down. No la campa. Nobody not call my phone. I don't know which fucking number this when I don't know. Call my phone. And I don't like it. Phone, I don't even know you. No la tampat. You crazy? I'll be a fool to not walk away and run for my life. Me, I don't need people in me. I learn. If me not say F them kids, they go to prison. Every day I go get up in a argument with people. Me I done them mad already, that can't change it. When them I graduate, oh your mother, Joan Dixon. When them I graduate, oh your mother, Joan Dixon. Where your mother name Joan Dixon? If them got take out a visa application tomorrow morning, my brother want. So call her back. Let's so call her back. Brother, mama can't be the problem. When am I got to go to a visa application, my name I got upon it. And I'm gonna ask for your parents' name. Whatever is said and done here, because some of them didn't say that I want to work here, innit? 95% of the things when the people have look on them. I don't even read comments. Them class, maybe they agali tell you this said, I don't look on them. Me see a girl make a video the other day and say, oh, she ate me. Me just go on that video and say, you ate me, that can pay my bills. Me say, me just eat Rosealee. That can't pay my bills, girl. You're eating yourself. I don't even know you. You're pathetic. But not saying that to say this. Whatever I'm going to life, me will always be their mother. I mean, nah, put myself behind bars to prove that. Ray and nephew shall take away some of my pains. Shanti, what's up? I nah put myself behind bars to prove that. I mean, nah come over here, come yeah, every day. Come do that either. More than me know how to say go. Them fight me, them take them from me. Them fight me can't even see them. So what if send me money for? For some of either eat my money and chastise me. The big stinking axe and the money come here. Me could go buy rum and boom and weed and cigarette and eat and pork and oxtail and chicken. You look like Papi show. Them fight me, them take them from me. Them fight again, me can't even see them. Some for do no still say, I'm gonna go, no, me not even $10. Nobody not send me no school shoes coming I deliver it. And I come here, I it stay. You see, licky people will always fall short when they're licky. And some of you people don't know the value of people until when I'm gone. Because when they're licky, when I have money this side, I'm on the demand, when they're licky. Nobody can give me a 10 cent to sell out a person that is a part of me for a lifetime. Nobody. If I don't like you, it has to be my personal reason. Those people are very licky, sweetie choke. They will do and say anything for money, highlight and cloud just for the net. I only work here as a beggar, as a ranker. The internet does not control me. I don't do what the internet. I will never do what the internet wants. I do what me, Rosalie, wants to. So if you see me over here talking and you don't like what I'm saying, leave. You have to can all block me too, you know. Some of them will make video about them and I don't. Some of them will make video about me, so them don't. I don't care about them, you know. I don't care about them, you know. I want to work here. I don't care about your opinion. You liking me, it's on you. It's not on me. I don't like licky people. The Bible tells you that the sin of the parents visit them first, second, and third, fourth, fifth generation. Generations curse will never take mine because the heart and them clean. So somebody will pick them up. No worry. Yeah, I have struggled a lot. Even when I'm sick. When Shanta cut Pendic, when Shanta cut the Pendic, as a woman on social, it's a woman on Instagram save her life. Me nah go to prison. Me I tell you about me nah go to prison. Let me go on where I go. I'm see what I lead up to. When Shanta cut her Pendic, is a woman on social. All of them with the nay and the A and the say and the ray and the sayers, never did they. And when me a care Shanchan got children, a barber underpants she have on, she don't even have drawers. That is my journey. I saw me done. Next week coming, if the tattoo runner so, him alone can judge me. Nobody else. That go right run so I'm a big back. God alone can go. I want it bold and bright. God, me as long and take the pain. God alone can judge me. I'm gonna left it. Me, left it. I'm gonna left it. No time. You gonna leave it.